Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I have a really cool and interesting application to show you guys. So this app lets you make money by doing absolutely nothing at all. And all you do is you just run it on your phone, you leave your phone charging overnight while you sleep or while you're out and about enjoying your day. And it will accumulate points, and with those points you can cash out for gift cards or for PayPal and make some money. But before I show you guys this incredible application, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay guys, so the app I want to show you guys is right here. It's on the top left corner of my screen. It's called Cash Magnet. So once you download this application from the Google Play Store, all you have to do is then open it up, and you'll be taken to this home page where you can see there's a few different tabs here. You can see there's Home, which has the place where you can start earning your points. You have your history, you can redeem for gift cards, and you can invite other people. So in order to start earning points, all you have to do is, it's very straightforward, it's very simple. You just, all you have to do is tap right here on Start Earning, and it will begin to load. And when it loads, it will grant itself some permissions here, because what it does is basically it will open up different websites on Google Chrome. So you can see here it's opening up a website right now. I guess it's opening up Translate, and it will also download applications from the Google Play Store, and it will automatically open them up and just play them or use them for a couple minutes, and then it'll go back to the Cash Magnet app, and from there you will gain points. So you can see here it just opened up Google Chrome. It opens up random websites, different websites that lead to advertisers, because obviously advertisers want people to visit their sites or to download their games, and essentially what this does is it does it for you. So that's how you earn points, and with those points they will just gradually accumulate over time as you just leave the app running. You just press Start Earning, and you don't have to do anything else after that. So now all I have to do is just leave this app on my phone, let it run continuously however long I want it to, and by the time it's done it would have gained some points, and with those points you can cash out, which I will show you the different rewards that you can get from this app as soon as this thing finishes loading. So yeah, it does take a while to load, but like I said, you don't have to do anything after you press Start Earning. You can put your phone on your charger and just let it run on its own, and it'll keep on earning points. That's what's really amazing about this app, guys, is that it's completely autoplay. It does everything for you. You don't have to do anything, and it's already all set up by the app itself. All you have to do is just download the app and make an account and let it run, and it'll do everything that you want for you. So that's what's really cool about this app. I know you guys have been asking for applications that you don't have to do anything, that you can just autoplay, and this is one of them. And it's a really great application in my opinion, because like I said, it's all set up by the app, and it'll do everything that you need it to do, like visit websites or download applications. So yeah, this is it. I think it's already started running, and you can see here now it's changed from Start Earning to Stop Earning. So whenever you're done, after you let it run overnight, after you wake up in the morning, whatever, all you have to do here is just tap on Stop Earning, and you can see now it's going to give you another loading screen where it just stops all the processes that it's been running on your phone in the background. And once that's done, you can see here it's gone back to saying to Start Earning. And yeah, that's pretty much how this works. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. Like I said, you can do whatever you want while you let this run in the background. It's honestly like one of the best apps, money-making apps that I found recently, because I mean, you don't have to do anything at all. It takes no effort. It's completely integrated into the app, and yeah. So now once you have earned enough points, what you need to do is you can then go to redeem. And let me fix the brightness on my phone real quick, since it got darker. Alright, so now, after you earn enough points, what you have to do here is then go to redeem. And in redeem, you can see there are different point values for different rewards. So they have Amazon gift cards, which are a staple reward for many of these money-making applications, because I mean they're just really useful in general. And you can see here that the conversion rate is 1,000, roughly 1,000 per dollar. So for a $5 Amazon gift card, you will have to spend 5,000 points. $10 is 10,000 points, and $25 is a bit cheaper. It's 24,000 points to redeem a $25 Amazon gift card. And then beyond the Amazon gift cards, they also have PayPal Cash. These have a small fee because PayPal does charge fees for transferring to other accounts. So that's why they're a little bit more expensive, but not too much. So you can see here that a $5 transfer with PayPal would be 5,500 points. $10 PayPal is 10,500 points, and so on, with the max of $50 in PayPal being 51,500 points. And then another way you can earn, there are two more ways, and they are dealing with cryptocurrencies here. So you can see that there is Bitcoin, which is 2,000 points. I don't know exactly how much they'll give you for this. Okay, so you can see here, this is the conversion rate. So if you redeem for 2,000 points, you will earn 0.000263 Bitcoin. And you can do it multiple times as long as you have the points, and you can keep on getting more and more Bitcoin. So in addition to Bitcoin, like I said, there is also Ethereum. And the conversion rate for Ethereum is 2,000 points is equivalent to 0.00332 Ethereum. And like with Bitcoin, you can do it multiple times, and there's actually a drop-down box here where you can raise the point value. So let's say you want to redeem for 30,000 points, then you will get 0.0498 Ethereum. And let me do that with Bitcoin as well, so we can see what the conversion rate is for Bitcoin. And you can see if you do 30,000 points, you will gain 0.00394 Bitcoin. So you're still a long way from getting 1 Bitcoin, but it's much better than redeeming for 2,000 points every single time. So instead you can do 30,000 points, and you can get a lot more Bitcoin using that. So those are the different redemption options that you have with this application, and they have a good variety. I mean, Amazon, PayPal, and Bitcoin if you so desire. And also, another way you can earn points is by using referrals. So you can see here, that's my referral ID, and they also give you a link down here. So I'll be putting these in the description below if you want to download the application easily, and if you want to help me out, you can put in my referral ID, or you can also post your ID in the comments below. I think I may tag, or sorry, I may, what is it called? Pin. I'll pin a lucky comment so that your link will be on top. So feel free, post your links below, and one lucky person will have their comment pinned, and hopefully that will drive a lot of referrals to your account. So yeah, if you want to do that, feel free, go ahead, and I will be happy to pin one user's comment, just as a little reward for watching my video all the way to the end. So, and also mention that you did watch the video until the end, so that I know that you are actually wanting to be pinned. And yeah, that's about it for this app. It is incredibly simple, guys. All you do is download it and let it run. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.